And we are pleased and welcome to answer any questions you may have. With that, I thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much, Brad. Thank you. Thank you. At the same time, please don't forget the breakfast we have prepared for you. Thank you very much. Enjoy. Thank you.
สวัสดีทุกท่านจากฮ่องกงนะคะตอนนี้นะคะอินโดแลบได้มาร่วมงานที่เรียกได้ว่าเป็นงานที่ยิ่งใหญ่ที่สุดของทางฮ่องกงที่เกี่ยวกับเครื่องมือแพทย์นะคะแล้วก็สุขภาพค่ะเรามาที่นี่นะคะเพราะว่า Hong Kong Trade Development Council พาเรามาค่ะและตรงนี้นะคะเราอยู่ที่อีเวนท์ที่เรียกว่า Breakfast Meeting ก็จะเป็นอีเวนท์ที่กินไปคุยไปก็สนุกดีนะคะซึ่งทาง HKTDC นะคะได้พาผู้ประกอบการที่น่าสนใจมาให้เราได้สัมภาษณ์อย่างใกล้ชิดนะคะก็เดี๋ยวเราไปดูกันค่ะว่ามีอะไรบ้างนะคะ
Hello, I'm James. Come from Taiwan and introducing to you about our company's product. It's a medical measurement system which can measure you and your family's vital signs, and our system can link to hospital system, so it can make hospital doctor and nurse give you more dedicated medical service, and you can also take care about your family's health condition. In our product line, we can measure for blood pressure, we can measure for your body temperature, and we can also measure for ECG. In this tiny machine, use three kind of strip. We can measure for glucose, total cholesterol, and uric acid. So it's very helpful for doctor to know about your status and give you more advice to enhance your health condition. And not only the system here, we also have another system, an infusion system. This is designed for hospital to use. This is a system also connected with hospital information system, so that medical order can directly download to the pump without manually input all the parameters. So it can enhance the nursing staff's efficiency. Also, it can increase the safety of infusion, and also it help hospital to next generation smart hospital. And the good news is both of these two product line we already distributed in Thailand. Yeah, all the app, all the system already in Thai language. Just in recently, we will do a clinical trial to test the infusion system in Thailand in Mon Samun's Pak Nang Hospital. Yeah, and also the Somdek military hospital in Thailand. So it's good. It's my pleasure to meet you here. Thank you.
Yeah, so Ecotech Global, actually we trade under the brand Oco6, and Oco6 is actually a Hong Kong green tech focusing on sustainable materials for, let's say, on sustainable materials and applications. So we have invented two materials. One material that is biodegradable, that's Ocomer. This is for disposable applications, so application that can biodegrade. And then non-biodegradable, the Ocoplastic, which is for, let's say, durable products. And like, for example, for the disposable, we have the face mask, we have cosmetic facial mask, we have diapers, so this material can be used for these applications. Now, for the Ocoplastics, I mean, it's everywhere you have plastics, it can be replaced by, let's say, biosourced plastics that we call Ocoplastic. So we actually invented these materials and then created the first fully compostable face mask in the world. We won this award in 2022. And we did that to demonstrate the power of the technology. Because it's one thing to say that we have a biodegradable material, it's another thing to show that you can actually make a product. So that's what we did.
So, and what is the special characteristic of the mask? How about the oxygen permission or the cleanliness or anything else?
So basically, it's like, I'm going to say, any other mask. It fulfills all the requirements, the key requirements in terms of performance and so on. But the main difference is that it's compostable. So this is the differentiator, the key differentiator.
How about the price?
Price is comparable. So we know that, of course, when you come up with innovation, you need to avoid being, let's say, over the top. So we have a pricing that is affordable, and we tested this pricing with, let's say, different end clients and also other manufacturers of masks, because we sell the fabrics as well, and we are, let's say, within the market.
Okay. Hi, I'm Chuan Wei, come from Inline Medical. I'm a marketing manager, and our company based in Shanghai, Beijing, Shenzhen, and Hong Kong, and we are focused on the cardiovascular intervention medical device, and we have a lot of products has been proved, and some of the products has been in clinical stage. So we have an introduction of our many products. So we can say that the first one is our Transcaster mitral valve repair system. It's used to treat mitral valve regulation. Sorry. So we can see that it's like it has it has two parts. It's a delivery system of the caster, and we also have a clip. It's used to clip the mitral valve to stop to decrease the MR to treat the heart failure. So, and the delivery system is used to deliver a clip to the heart, and it's from our vascular. And it's a minimum invasive method to treat the heart MR. So you can see that. And the second one is a product used to treat aortic dissection. It's a minimum invasive treatment, and it has a delivery system and a graft stand. You can see that we have a lot of features to okay. So the third one is a guideway to use to guide a caster into a height or some area we want to go, and we also provide an OEM service. We have a more than 10,000 clean room, and some of the facilities are used to produce the medical device, including all kinds of the caster and some of the guideway and the balloon used in the cardiovascular intervention procedures. Yeah. Okay. So that's a simple. It's a simple introduce of our products and our company. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for your time. This is Apedia. So we run the business in Hong Kong, which is called Apedia Hong Kong Limited. So we are the company that provide the instruments, consumables, and after-sales service about the histopathology and cytology. So our customer is mainly from the public hospital in Hong Kong, private hospital, and also clinical part, research part. So now our company offer digital pathology to the user. So we are now introduce this brand, 3T Histad, which is a digital scanner, so that the image can be scanned and then and also can be reviewed in the computer. So I will pass the time to Joseph to talk more about our product.
Hello everyone. My name is Joseph. Usually in the pathologist, sometimes when they after the several procedure, And for example, when the patient got a tumor, and they do the surgery and cut the tumor and do the analyze, and eventually after several procedure, and they were making the slide just like this. Okay, so after the doctor will take this slide into the microscope and do some diagnostic. Okay, so the problem comes is when they use the microscope, right? So when they want to see the bigger view, but sometimes they will lose the detail. When they go to the detail zooming, sometimes the FOV, that means the field is not very big. So actually they need to move it around. So sometimes it's a very subjective, right? So for example, if you saw this part is a normal, you don't go to the other part, maybe sometimes you will miss your diagnosis is wrong. Yeah. So actually, the doctor will found that, and they need to solve this problem. So the founder, also the CEO of the 3D Tech. He is also the doctor. He knows the problem. So he trying to develop the scanner. He will digitalize and capture every part of the scan and into like the whole side image. Okay. So what is a whole side image? We can say that just like a pathologist, the Google map. Yeah. So you can see here is like a Google map viewer. So you can freely zoom in and zoom out and search everything you want. Okay. With this image, you can go around. And also, for example, when the glass lie, and we also call the material or information, and become the data. So that's very important because the data can copy, and we can also save the very best time of the slide, because when you preserve the slides for several years, maybe sometimes the quality is wrong. So even that after 10 years, you take it back and for the reference, and maybe this already lost a lot of information. So for the very best time, and you taking the image, you serve the image, and after several years, it's still the same. Yeah, as the same as the first year. Okay, so now the very hottest topic is the AI, right? So how we apply AI to the routine diagnostic procedure. Okay, so first of all, you need to make this slide into the image, so we get it. So we need to train it, right? So we use that a lot of data and analyzed by the doctor, and we collect it as the big data. And after that, and we train it for the software. So then we apply those a lot of image. So now the things goes on that once the doctor settle down, okay, they're very happy. They don't use the microscope anymore. They use the computer to see the image and whatever bigger screen they wanted. Okay, so when they open the slide, so actually the AI will help them to do like the primary diagnostic. So this is very helpful to give some indication for the doctor. So they will save a lot of time. And how to say that? Because for example, doctor have 100 cases per day, but 60 cases out of the 100 is negative. So actually, based on that primary diagnostic, they can faster screen everything. So they can focus on the other 40 cases. They have maybe a positive result. So that make the doctor give the most resources to those very important cases. Yeah. So that's what we sold the solution today. Yeah.
We are Delta Pyramids Company Limited. We are a distributor and importer for a lot of European and US rehab technologies. So from the robotic to some pain therapy management to some home use or the outreach use device like for the physiotherapists, occupational therapists, and also speech therapists. So you see that I'm wearing a small device here. It's also one of the example of the trend of the healthcare industry. So this one is actually a SEMG sensor, which is measuring my swallowing muscle. So if I have swallowing difficult, I need to visit doctor, and also they will check my condition. And normally I have to go to the hospital or clinic with a big machine to measure my condition. But now is this technology is from Canada, which is so small that I can use it at home without going to the clinic or hospital, and the doctor or speech therapist can monitor the condition of my swallowing muscle condition. With an app here, so you can real time see the muscle contraction of my swallowing muscle. If I have the swallowing difficulty, just now that you see that there's no feedback from my muscle. So now I'm performing like a swallowing, but with big effort. So you see that it's an indication of my like a normal person. They have a lot of highs, like peaks. That means I have good swallowing muscle contraction. So this is one of the technology that can really facilitate the doctor, clinicians, and also speech therapists to take care of the patient with swallowing difficulty, like brain cancer, neck cancer, or any elderly with swallowing difficulties. And also the doctor or the therapist, they can prescribe the swallowing exercise. So the patient actually can do it at home without going a long way to visiting the hospital or clinics. And also for the doctor or clinician, they have a online dashboard to manage like even the patient for the whole community. So it's really, really convenient both for the patient and also for the doctor, clinician to monitor a whole community.
Focus in other segment, mostly in end user. I will describe it in this is an innovative design, but not innovative technology. Yeah. They group three different existing product and machine together into one three-in-one machine. Rollator, wheelchair, and Parkinson device. So I can show you directly. This is a rollator, and I can change it to wheelchair in a very simple way and very quick. Just within 10 to 20 seconds. It's done. Then both sides do the same. Yeah. So we encourage the elderly to exercise more, walk more instead of always sit. Yeah, maybe they are not really disabled. They can walk, but they can walk 5 and 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, then they feel tired. But this to give them an opportunity to like walk and sit and walk and sit. Moreover, we have an add-on function. This is a
你好嘢喎
Parkinson device.
嚇
Here's the button. You press it.
係啊，其實我成日見到你嘅，不過你點會啫？有時
Here the
咁我話
sound.
你，我同埋跟住講
Also
你
can
犀利
feel the
我覺
vibration.
我覺得嚇。
It teach the Parkinson patient to walk. Yeah, because you see they walking this way. They know how to walk, but they forget how to walk. So this machine teach them how to step by step with a pattern to walk. Yeah, sun or the light. Depends on which one you feel more sensitive. So you can change the combination. For example, light and sun and vibration. Also the speed. You can change the speed faster or slower. So the technology is not new, but we group it together. Yeah. So now, in the Hong Kong market, this is the first machine that we got 3 in 1 all together.